back, everyone. So what are we doing today? Well, I want to do a Larimar. And I find that it's a bit hard to do all these pours when it's cold. So it's not too bad a day today, but the room is only 21 degrees, so I don't know whether that will be enough or not. I've put a little bit on each cup, and I'm reusing cups, so I'm not too sure whether that will be enough or not. Because like I said, I'm reusing cups. So let's see, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops, and I am using Holbein inks. It's what I like the most for this. All right, so this one is the ultramarine blue, and this one is the magenta. Let's see. It looks dark, but it's not really dark. All right, so on this I'm going to add a little bit of the, no, not the diamond, it's the other one. Here, the interference blue. And I'm only going to add a very, very tiny bit to it because it tends to overtake a little bit, and I don't want that happening. So that's that one. It's just to give it a little bit of a sparkle. All right, so that's that one. Now this will be the red one. Or magenta, should I say. I wanted 3 drops, but one sneaky little one extra came through. Okay, so that's that for that. And I am going to actually, in the push, I'm going to add 1 little drop also of the red. Just 1 drop. Nothing more. I'm not too sure what I've done here. Oh, here. All right, and this beautiful mold is from Julie at Pouring Your Heart Out. Now for the white, I'm going to use Custom Craft. So I've done 4 drops, and that is a little bit here. I think I need a bit more. I find that this custom craft, it's not very strong. I don't know whether they changed the recipe or what it is, but it's not strong at all. All right, so that's still transparent, as you can see. Okay, and we're gonna go. Of course, the white first. Unless you're doing a reverse Larimar like Nicole from Pure Pour does. But this is a Larimar, so therefore it's the white first. And I do this to try and remove all the micro bubbles, because they tend to sit in the bottom of the mold. Okay, now I'm going to do first the red, magenta. I keep saying red, it's magenta, goes into a pinky color, not red. And then the blue. And lastly, the bush. And make sure you don't overfill it, because you don't want it going everywhere on you. And I'm going to give it a few minutes before adding my glitter in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to add some crushed glass to the middle. And I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, bye for now. Okay, so let's have a look. I don't know, it was very cold here, so. Okay, that's very pretty. It's different than the usual Larimars I do. It almost looks like it's got a flower in the middle. Yeah, quite happy with that. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything, and it helps my channel grow. Stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us. Bye for now.